Moss, mold, and mildew stains stealing your home's curb appeal? Clean small surfaces the easy way with Wet and Forget Outdoor ready to use. There's no scrubbing, no rinsing, and no bleach. Just wet it and forget it. No mixing, no measuring, no hassle. Wet and Forget ready to use comes pre-mixed and ready to go. Just grab the bottle, aim, and spray. The ergonomic trigger makes treating small surfaces quick and easy. Perfect for planters, windowsills, garden decor, and pathways. It's bleach-free and safe on most outdoor surfaces, so there's no worry about what you're cleaning. No second step rinsing and no guesswork. Wet and Forget works with the wind and rain over time. Generally, green stains clean up in a week or two, and black stains or moss come clean in a few months. Each bottle treats up to 5 to 16 square meters, depending on the surface. Before applying, rinse nearby plants with water or cover them. Then spray on a cool, dry day and let Wet and Forget soak in and do its thing. Once clean, typically a once-a-year application helps keep your surfaces looking great. No pressure washers, no scrubbing, no bleach, no stress. Just wet it and forget it. Wet and Forget Outdoor ready to use, the easy way to clean your outdoor surfaces.